So you want to do something like, a circle has equation x squared plus y squared equals 16. Find the radius of the circle. So we know, because the question tells us we've got a circle, but if we examine this, we can see other things in it. We do have a circle because there's no other complication than x squared plus y squared on this left hand side. We have a circle which centres on the origin of the graph, and I mean by that the very centre of the graph, 0, 0. If there's nothing more than just x squared plus y squared, then we have a graph that centres on 0, the origin of the graph. And then if we were to write what we might call the general equation of this kind of circle, x squared plus y squared equals r squared would be the general equation. And the r does stand for radius. So if we have this kind of equation, x squared plus y squared equals 16, then the 16 on the right hand side is the radius squared. So all we need to do is square root this number and we get the radius. So the square root of 16 is 4, and so we know that this is a circle which is centred on the origin and has a radius of the square root of 16, 4. And so we know that in this particular case, the x value here is 4. It goes back to minus 4 here. We go up to a y value of 4 here and a y value of minus 4 down here. So if we see this, x squared plus y squared, nothing more on this left hand side, then we know it's centered on the origin, it's a circle, and on the other side of the equal sign, the number here, if we square root it, then we'll get the radius, because the general equation here, the golden rule, x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So this is the radius squared, so we have a radius of 4. So